Reindexing of the database in SQL Server. The re- in the reindexing of the database in SQL Server, this is usually created when we build the server and need not be tampered with unless customer comes up with a specific request for it. Steps to create a new maintenance plan for the rebuild index are as follows. Connect to the SQL Server using the Management Studio, go to the Management, Maintenance Plans, right click on it and select the new maintenance plan as shown in the below picture. Now name the plan as shown below and click OK. Drag. Now we can see a tool box in the left side of the SQL Server and the above to it we have the instance details of what instance we have connected. From the toolbox we have to drag the rebuild index task onto the pane and from the toolbox. Now double click on the dialog box and select the only user databases and click on the OK. Now the rebuild index dialog box is opened. In that we have to click on the databases and in this we have to check only these databases and we have to check the databases name whichever are used for the re-indexing of the database. Now click on OK. Save the plan by using this clicking on the save button on the top of the window. Now we have to set the appropriate schedule by clicking the button next to the schedule. We have to name the schedule plan, then schedule type, that is recurring, whether it will be recurring or not, or we have the options of checking it either it is in the single day or only once. The frequency occurs weekly. We have the different options in the frequency: weekly, daily, or once. In this we have to check weekly. That means we will be checking on the Saturday and Sunday, so that the indexing will be done only on Saturdays and Sundays. Or else if we want to make it on the daily basis, then we have to check on the option called daily, so that on all the days it will be executed at a particular time. Now the daily frequency occurs at which time? We have to give a particular time so that it executes at that particular time only, or else we can schedule it according to our client requirement. That is, we can execute it for every 2 hours or 3 hours, but it may impact the performance on the application that is used by the users. So it is better that we have to use it on the once a time, once a day, that is in the non-peak hours when the business is not running. And now click on the OK. This will create a maintenance plan job as well. Thank you.